Yeah.
What a hell of a view. And then the breeze here is just amazing. Oi, 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 what's up? Hi guys, Mariam here.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, cheese. Albanian donut, there we go. Yeah. 2. If you come to Albania, you have to come to Durres. That's how amazing this place is. All right, folks, so we just drove 30 minutes west of Tirana towards Italy, and then look where we are. We're at a town called Durres. It is right at the coastline of Mediterranean Sea, and we're on the most popular spot where you can walk for literally hours and hours and see all the amazing food and then views. So this is Durres, Albania for you. And across the other side of the Mediterranean is Italy. And there's a port that goes from here to Italy. Durres port. How awesome is this? Amazing views, amazing food, amazing weather. Looks really, really nice, honestly. It's definitely upper class. You could tell that, you know, by the buildings and the villas when you come here. So far we've seen sushi, seafood, Italian food. I'm pretty sure you can find just about anything you want here. Mariam? You see black sand? Mariam, you see black sand? Yeah.
I'm gonna play it.
You wanna play? Not in black sand. Oi, 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 what's up? Hi guys. You're kidding? Sira just woke up. Sira just woke up? You woke up from a nap? She's excited. How awesome is that, huh? What a hell of a view. And then the breeze here is just amazing. 30-minute drive from Tirana, well worth it. If you come to Tirana, you gotta make the drive. Even if you have to rent a car for a day, just do it. It's well worth it. All right, there he goes. The sun is almost down. There he goes. All right, guys, so we're gonna try Albanian donut. There we go. Yeah. 2.
2?
Yeah, 2.
Okay. What do you want on top?
What-
Chocolate, strawberry, caramel,
Chocolate, strawberry, what else?
syrup.
Just syrup. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Yeah.
And then Albania flag.
What is it?
Albania flag.
Albanian flag, tamam. Thank you, appreciate it. Albanian donut. Let's see, Bismillah. What does it taste like? It's not donut.
Hamburger?
No.
Good flag for you.
Well, Albanian
donut.
Albanian flag. It tastes like, I don't know, it's like fried bread. That's what it is. It's good. All right, so it tastes very light. It's not sweet. It depends on what you put on it. We put strawberry on it, a little bit of chocolate. You can put ketchup, you can put chocolate, you can put syrup, whatever you want, you can put on it. So it actually tastes really good. So we got 2, and now we're back to getting 2 more. So that's how good it is. I definitely recommend it. Just finished my second one, guys. That thing is amazing. Tastes freaking amazingly good. And then the cost is very, very cheap. It's only $1 US. Pretty good for, you know, a bag of donuts, mini donuts for $1. It's one of the few ones that's what we call street food. It's got a cart set up and it's selling some food. So you got the donut, you got the corn, and you got cotton candy. Those are the things that are selling, and then a few drinks. All right, so let's continue. The moon tonight, guys, are really, really beautiful. It's bright, it's reflecting off the sea. I don't know if you can see the reflection, but the reflection here off the sea is amazing. It's really, really beautiful. The water is calm. You got a nice breeze. The place is definitely a lot more packed now. You got all types of people here. You got families, you got people that are on date, you got dudes just hanging out, you got girls that, you know, it's girls' night for them. So you got all kinds of people here just doing their thing. If you come to Albania, you have to come to Durres. That's how amazing this place is. You gotta come here. You gotta make the 30-minute drive, I'm telling you. It's well worth it. All right, folks, so if you're wondering what day of the week it is today, it's Monday. This is literally Monday. So that's how busy this place is on a Monday. Imagine coming here on like a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. This place, I'm sure, is gonna be even more crazy. It's really packed today. I didn't expect this on a Monday, honestly, but people here, this is the place to be. Miriam here.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, cheese. Look at the restaurants. I mean, they're just packed like that one. Like, I don't see maybe 1 or 2 empty tables. That's it. All right, folks, so we're on our way back from 1,000 Windows, the rut, and then we took a different route. We went to Durres to Tirana. Now, I would tell you, since we took both routes, definitely take the route on SH Highway 4, which goes to Durres and then Durres to Tirana. It's about 20 minutes longer, but it's a much safer road. It's pretty much straight the whole time. It's 2 lanes. You got a lot of rest areas. You got a lot of gas stations, and you got a lot of lights, especially at nighttime. Where the SH3, it was zigzag all the way, bunch of one-way streets. With that said, we somehow accidentally ran into this beautiful masjid. It has 4 minarets. You can see it from miles away. The name of the masjid is Riza Bejrami. So with that said, let's go check it out and show you what this amazing place looks like. Look at this. They got LED lights everywhere. I mean, you can see it miles and miles away. It is gorgeous. It is not the easiest route to get here. Bunch of one-way streets. It's definitely an interesting place. Wow, this is really nice. You got a lot of lights, gardens, water fountains. Oh, this is really cool. They got the Holy Quran in the middle of the fountain. That's pretty cool.
Baba.
Park?
Baba.
Park?
Yeah, I'm saying I'll play this part.
Okay.
Not here.
Ne, ne, what? What? Okay. Yavaş, 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 yavaş. Be careful. And look at the moon. The moon is full today. Moon is full. See, look at the moon. Look at the beautiful moon. You see the moon over there? Over there. Over there.
Mama, big dip.
Look, moon. Over there. Over there.
Yeah.
You see it? The pretty? You want to play? You want to get in the slide? I mean, swing? Come here, do the swing. Go. Come here, do the swing. Okay.
أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله.
All right, folks, we're end of our video, but with that said, don't worry, we have 2 more videos coming your way at the end of this screen that you can click on. With that said, thanks so much, and please don't forget to follow us.